Hello, hi everyone. So this is like two lives in a day. I'm Dr. Rashi Agarwal, MD Psychiatry, and today I have another psychiatrist with me. She's Dr. Nudula, and we are going to talk about everything psychiatry, everything you can think about psychiatry, and the stigma attached to it. So, if any more questions about psychiatry that I get in the DMs every day, all the time about psychiatry as a branch, why you should take it, how is it in India. So let's discuss it more and more, and you can send in your questions here and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Hello, thank you everybody for joining in again with me.
Hi. Yes, we got it.
Hello, how are you?
Hi. Good. How are you?
I'm fine.
I've
So
seen
I
that you just finished a live. How can you be this busy?
weekends initially used to be very fun and hip, and now weekends are like this, video after video.
Yeah,
That's how we
just
keep
one
ourselves
after the
busy.
other. Okay. So, what we were first, the topic that we talked about was stigma against psychiatry,
Yeah, so we
basically.
get, I think, a lot of questions. First of all, I think thank you for sharing the same vibe with me that we all as psychiatrists, as I always say, this is the only branch where the patient and the doctor both have the stigma attached to it. So even the doctors are fighting
Exactly.
stigma along with the patients of any kind
Yeah.
of mental illnesses. And
Yeah.
we are here to bust more mental health myths and also stigma attached to us. We are not that boring kind of psychiatrists. We are
Yeah,
very
and we are
cool
not,
people. Come
we
to
are
us.
very cool people. So the most common thing I would say, like in India, if even for choosing the branch of psychiatry, the first thing they would say, तुम भी पागल हो जाओगे, पागलों से बात करते करते, you'll also go mad. That's what they would say usually. And it's
So
not like a
derogatory,
very,
man. I think people around me, like, nobody dares to say. I'm like, I've taken up a fight with so many people now, and like, now even my parents are scared. If anybody says things like this, they're like,
मत
no, you
बोलो,
can't
मत
say
बोलो.
that. You can't say these things. And before I
Hmm.
start pointing it out that it's wrong, so they are in the front line now and they are saying again, नहीं नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोलते, ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते, गलत
That's
होता है, ये
nice.
नहीं बोलते, because they've heard me saying this again and again, and they're
Again and
like
again.
also
Yeah.
fed up
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
before she bursts, we are here to control the situation,
Control.
that
That
you
is
can't
very
say things
nice.
like this at all.
Yeah, that's very nice that, your parents are supportive and then, because most of the time what happens is that that generation, they can't understand what exactly it means and what idea they have of psychiatric illness is either what they see in TV, हमारे फिल्मों में जो दिखाते हैं, either अपने आप में बात करते रहते हैं या फिर there'll be that mentally challenged people हंसना and with that bad appearance. That is exactly what they show. And that was the case maybe like 50 years back, 50 to 60 years back, before the invention of these newer drugs that we have. Now, because of the invention of the drugs, the scenario is completely changed. And I'll tell you the funniest thing. So, here in Hyderabad, there's one mental hospital. It's called Yaragada Mental Hospital. And everybody who talks in an abnormal way, they'll say this joke like, "Ha, tumhara bus pakad lo." Shall I get your bus to Yaragada? That's what they would say. It is that derogatory and that so the stigma against patients and at the same time to the doctors, it is something that we have to break. I think that is upon us to start doing this. I think you shouting at people is helping you. And I try to explain to my friends, even my colleagues, like doctors in my own, medical colleagues and medicos, they also, make fun in the same way that, okay, tumhara ho gaya, you're done, stuff like that. So I think
Even here in
that
UP,
is,
we had this a while back, not right now, this mental hospital in Agra. So this was a joke that was going on for years here also, that if you have
hmm,
anything, you're going to send you to Agra and you'll be
send you
taken
to
over
Agra.
there.
Chalo,
Because
niklo
everything
yahan
that
se.
is portrayed for people with mental illnesses, as you said, in the television, in the shows, it's like a person who's unkept. They're not able to take
Yes,
care of themselves, and they are
yes,
like just showing rudely behavior or unruly
exactly.
everywhere. But
Yeah,
what we see on a day-to-day basis is that depression, anxiety, they're the most common psychiatric illnesses, and they're so
exactly.
less talked about. Still, I would say, according to prevalence, they're so less talked about because
Yes.
people don't want to come forward because they feel that only people who have like given up and everything, that they're completely shattering themselves, only they need to go to a psychiatrist, and they feel
When
that
it is when it becomes completely
हाँ,
severe.
जब बिल्कुल सिवियर कंडीशन होती है तब उनको लगता है कि आप साइकाइट्रिस्ट को दिखा लो. दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट विद एवरी अदर थिंग, इफ यू आर एबल टू कैच थिंग्स इन द अर्ली ऑन, इन द माइल्ड फेज, इन द मॉडरेट फेज, वी कैन चेंज इट सो फास्ट एंड you can
Exactly.
recover from it quickly and with less duration of treatment, with less medications. And you don't need to like go about and tell people. It's okay if you don't want, you have this stigma attached, you can
Exactly.
just
You
come
don't
to the
need to tell
psychiatrist and
people.
everybody knows the confidentiality, the
Exactly. So
confidentiality
that is
clause.
one thing
Because
of the confidentiality clause. That is something that also has to be accepted, and it is a reality. In our Indian scenario where the family is so much involved with the patient and the patient care, they feel afraid to talk about anything, because even when we ask them to write in a journal, they'll be like, koi padega, somebody will know my own thoughts, because those
oh,
thoughts
that's
are
so
scary.
common. Indian
Exactly.
families कोई boundary
Yes.
setting नहीं है. Same happens with the journals.
बाउंड्री क्या
Everybody
होता
says the
है?
same things.
सिर्फ क्रिकेट में होता है बाउंड्री.
Oh yeah, so true. Because this line, I don't think मैंने कितनी बारी बात सुनी है कि I can't make a journal, I can't do diary writing because everybody in the family is going to read about it. I'd say, what
Exactly.
happened to boundary settings? How is it possible that something that would help you get better? Why is everybody interfering in that so much? Obviously, sometimes I feel it is coming from a good place that they want to help you a lot.
Help.
But then again, you need to have healthy boundaries that this much is right and this much is
Exactly.
wrong for
And
me. You
help
need to
in
stop
the
somewhere.
sense, help would come only in the sense where it will be their opinion that they want to put on the patient, not what they are going through. Padke, they will either pass a judgment or they'll have their own opinion. It is not about what exactly is going on with the patient. So because of that discrepancy is where again we'll have to come into the picture and again do a therapy session. That's the reason this thing keeps extending and extending rather than focusing the patient and getting them better. So I think what basic idea of mental illness is what they know as schizophrenia and maybe mood disorders and delusional disorders. Ki to kuch man, that is the severe mental illness that they know. But now common mental illness would be your depression, anxiety, panic disorders, obsessive compulsive disorders, which are becoming more and more common nowadays. And especially with COVID, it's becoming worse for patients who already have those illnesses. So these common illnesses also, when do patients come? Like what point of time do they actually come to a psychiatrist?
When everything is out of control. This is what happens when they're like, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, अब हमने झाड़ू वाले पापा को भी दिखा लिया, अब हमने पुड़िया भी खा लिया, अब हमने सब जगह दिखा लिया. Now everything, the hope is lost. So this is generally caused because again I sometimes feel that this is not particularly the patient or the family's fault per se. As a society, we haven't grown enough to understand that you need to see a psychiatrist. As you would have to go to a ENT doctor or to your regular physician for a cough and cold.
Yes.
That it is as common. If you're feeling low, I always say, what is the harm? एक बार दिखाने में आपको फर्क क्या पड़ रहा है? You will at least get a good diagnosis. And many a times, I think we send patients back that, okay, this is normal phase of life. You don't need to get medications for that.
Exactly.
Sometimes it's just normal phases.
Normal phases where they have ups and downs, and they can be. I think in Indian scenarios, the stressors are very obvious. Like for example, even financial stressors or relationship issues between husband and wife or in-laws, or these things are very normal and common in most of the families. I think I would say 80% of Indian families, these are the stressors that I say. So they would be like, agar mushkil hai, to obviously you will feel bad. You know, it is accepted that feeling bad is a normal thing because you have problems. But this feeling bad is only an emotion, or is it a disorder? And how is it affecting their quality of life? These are the differences. I think if they can understand and if they can pick, then that would be a good thing for everybody.
So that is the other way around also. Sometimes you feel that इतनी problems है सबके साथ ही होती हैं. So whatever I am feeling, that's okay. If I'm feeling sad, even if they are going into depression, they feel that ये तो सबके साथ होता है. So it's like both the ways. So I think that's why you should consult a professional. So at least you get a diagnosis that is it normal for you or not. कि कितना सहना ठीक है. That how much of it is in a normal mood swing and how much then it is going into a mood disorder.
Exactly.
So you need to have a diagnosis for yourself that कहीं ना कहीं शायद कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है.
Yeah, that's what. And also, traditionally, women, when they have the mood swings, it is absolutely accepted that they have anxiety. हाँ, koncham, like what we say in Telugu, it is like koncham tension party. It's like, हाँ, का ऐसे ही बेचैन रहती है वो, ऐसे ही गड़बड़ रहती है. You know, that is like an accepted thing. And yeah, sometimes she screams and shouts. And for the men, being irritable and screaming at the family is also normalized. But that irritability can also be part of depression. You know, like whatever anger that they are going through. One of the psychological causes of depression is internalized anger. You know, when they cannot express what they are having. So they will internalize it and they get depression. So all these things, who will know? Only a psychiatrist or a psychologist will know. So the first question, I think,
That's so rightly pointed out.
so I think the first question that we would get is
That you
what,
said this with the males.
yeah. So it
Sorry,
would be
sorry, I'm
like,
cutting in between.
huh. No, so that's what
Please
they
continue.
would be
Please
like,
continue.
what will you do? अगर ठीक है भाई आ गए तुम्हारे पास तो तुम क्या करोगे? तुम काउंसलिंग करोगे ना, बात ही करोगे ना, मैं भी बात करूंगा. You know, if it is just talking, I can also talk. That's what, you know, the elderly people or anybody say, or even friends. Arey, why do you need a therapist? I'm only your therapist. चलो दारू पीते हैं, सब बातें, you know, like if, with relationships or anything. But if it is as simple as that, it wouldn't have come across only as a problem. If it was just something that you can get through, बताने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Right? So if the
That's
family
ये
member,
तो ऐसी बात है जो आप पूरे दिन सुनते हो, because then again and again you have to keep on discussing this with people and telling them that therapy and counseling is not talking. It's not as simple as you and I having a conversation. Plus, you
exactly.
can't do counseling and therapy of people you know and you're attached to, because you will not have a neutral perspective. You can't give
Exactly.
them judgment, and you can't do it like. And then again, you can't, if it is some member of the family, you can't tell them this is wrong and you need to change this behavior, because they would obviously then not listen to you and it would not be fruitful enough. So
Exactly.
yes, therapy and counseling is much more than just
Than
talking
just
and having a
talking.
chat with the friend or just venting out.
And also the difference between venting and difference between expressing the emotions is also two different things again. Venting तो तुम बता रहे हो दोस्त को, and usually your friends will have a perspective regarding their lives or their experiences. It is not something that they understand the thought process that goes on in your mind, right? You know, we cannot say it like man and brain are not different. It is the same thing. जो मन में जो ख्याल आते हैं वो दिमाग से आ रहे हैं. So how the brain works is that doctor is the one who has, we have learned how it works. So this is where I start usually when I'm explaining to my parents also कि my parents or my family, patients, जो भी है, that's where I'll start. See, जो भी तुम्हारा मनसु जो तेलुगु में बोलते हैं, मन जो हिंदी में बोलते हैं, वो दिमाग से आ रहे हैं भाई, मन से नहीं है. दिल कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, दिमाग से आ रहा है सब कुछ. और दिमाग कौन ठीक करेगा? It has to be a psychiatrist. So that's how I do my thing.
And this thing that you've rightly said, that males में ना जो irritability and anger we see very frequently, that is internalized emotions. Because from a very young age, nobody told the males that it was okay for them to express their emotion. It's okay for them to cry. It's okay if you're feeling sad. So what happens when they grow older? There's so much stress in life these days. Even with men, women both. Especially men's mental health is, you talk about these topics, people don't agree with them, though a lot of people are going through that. As you and I both know,
Yes.
that suicide more commonly happens with males.
With
But
males,
when you want to
exactly.
talk about these, when you want to talk about these topics, nobody comes forward, and then you are left. And when you talk more about this, I'm facing this very recently, that I talk a lot about women mental health, and I get a lot of hatred talking about patriarchy, feminism, and women mental health, and everybody's like, men go through the same, and why don't you talk about men? I said, I talk about men mental health so much, but probably that video does not get that much traction and it does not reach you.
Exactly. Because अभी trend
I
चल
said,
रहा
go to
है.
my channel
Yeah.
and see other content. There's so much content
Yeah.
on main mental health also, but then
Yeah.
probably didn't go viral as much and it did not reach you. I've made content on everything. Women
Yeah.
topics are highlighted more because as it is prevalence ज़्यादा है, थोड़ी acceptability
Yes.
ज़्यादा है women की, कि
Yes.
हाँ इनको तो mental illness हो सकती है.
हो
But it
सकती
is
है.
so rightly pointed out recently to me by many people that नहीं, मेल्स में ज्यादा होता है, मेल्स में बहुत प्रॉब्लम. I said yes, and I'm happy that you recognize this enough. So will you be willing to come in live and talk to me about these complaints? Instead of spreading it, give me a reasonable explanation instead of calling me names. I'm here
Exactly.
to help. See, and
Hmm.
strangely, in the OPD hours, I think there's an equal ratio. Males and females का ज़्यादातर equal
Yes.
ratio ही रहता है. It's not like and
Hmm.
females more. It
Yes.
takes, I think, males के साथ it will take more guts to come out and say that I have this thing, because
Absolutely.
family, society, it is not accepting of them that how can you have
Yes.
depression?
मर्द को
How
दर्द
can
नहीं
you be
होता.
sad? That's so
That
weird. ये
is
सब चीजें
very
आपने क्यों
silly.
internalize
Hmm.
कर लिया starting से? So I
Exactly.
encourage patients, especially if they get young boys with them, that see now, train him nicely. Tell him that it is okay for him to express his
Express the
emotions. He
emotions.
should be
Exactly. Hmm.
comfortable enough, and don't tell him like don't try a girl, you throw like a girl. All these things subconsciously affect them, your little kids mind, and when they grow older,
Yes.
they don't know how to channelize their emotions.
Exactly.
I
They don't
think
know how to channelize them and it goes in defensive mode. And when that
हमारी
defensive
कितनी
mode comes,
रिलेशनशिप्स में हमने आई थिंक मेल्स के साथ ये
hmm,
नोटिस करा है कि मेल्स को कितनी चीजें बतानी, कहनी या समझानी होती है, एंड दे
getting
डोंट
this.
हैव द पाथवे टू डू दैट, बिकॉज उनसे आज तक किसी मेल फ्रेंड ने या कभी किसी फ्रेंड्स ने ऐसी बातें
Hmm.
नहीं करी ना. women still in our groups we cry, we discuss lot of emotions, but
Yeah,
मेल्स में लाइक तू क्यों परेशान है, वो एज यू
exactly.
सेड दारू
Hmm.
पी ले ठीक हो जाएगा, ये कर वो कर. So when they are in a
सब कुछ ठीक हो
relationship and the
जाएगा.
female
Yeah.
confronts to them that tell me what happened, they're like
That is when there is a
angry or irritable,
realization.
and they don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm feeling
The
something.
thing is
So
that there's
maybe this has
nothing
happened in
wrong.
my relationship
Huh.
also. कि
Yeah.
मैं
So
कुछ
there's
कहना चाह
nothing
रहा
wrong
हूँ,
with me.
क्या वो
There's
मुझे नहीं
nothing.
पता.
That's what, there's nothing wrong with me. That thing of there is nothing wrong with me is something because they always feel like somebody is pointing out. अगर तुम बता रहे हो कि okay you need help, it means you're pointing out that they are weak और ये weak mind, the word that lot of people use. If you have a strong mind, you won't get illness. मतलब क्या अगर तुम्हारा strong body है तो तुम्हें hypertension नहीं आएगा. That's not how it works. So it's the same way if people can look at brain as a, it's a part of our anatomy. And when we talk and all these things, the emotions, everything are coming from the brain. I think वो अगर लोगों को समझ में आ गया, then I think acceptance of this would improve and increase. And I think even in doctors' community, that also should improve. Like now, I mean, lot of cases that get referred to me will be after general physicians have started already them on some SSRIs, yeah, फिर some benzodiazepines, they'll be started on it and inadequate doses. That will be going on for a long time. And after years, not even months, like 2, 3 years or 5 years, then they come to a psychiatrist because they don't get better. First is that it won't be the right dosage. Second is that they won't associate it with any therapy. So it won't work. And as we know, mood disorders are recurrent. Even if they feel
मतलब
better for
ब्लेम आप
some
पे आ
time.
जाता है कि आपका जब से आपके
हाँ,
पास आया ना, आपने जो जो दवाई चेंज करी उससे दिक्कत हो रही है. लाइक यू आर एडिक्टेड टू painkillers, you're addicted to sleeping pills now, and I need to taper them off. This
exactly.
is not the right way, because it
Pura.
is so
Hmm.
common somebody going to a doctor and saying I have mood disorder.
Hmm.
You just tell them that okay, you take these pills, and they are like dependent on sleeping pills more after that,
Yeah.
and it's
Just
not
today I
treatment,
had
it might
a
be a presentation of depression.
Exactly. And just today I had a patient who's 54-year-old female. She was on Qtipin for 7 years, and her only problem was sleep disturbance. And then nobody had addressed it properly, and now she has come. So it is like imagine tapering off an antipsychotic and then putting her on SSRIs, and it is like such a mess that we have to start clearing up. So I think that stigma in patients also, like in doctors also, especially gynecologists and general physicians, neurologists, they have to understand that, okay, we don't need to, we can refer them to psychiatrists. I think the two things that they are afraid of is one thing, patient ko gussa psychiatrist. They feel that the patient will feel bad that, doctor is telling that I'm mad and they'll get upset. That is one of the reasons, and they'll very clearly tell, no, I do not want to go to a psychiatrist. So then, since I'm making these YouTube videos and everything, I just Yeah, so that's what I think among the medical community also, that thing, the stigma again.
I think internet is glitching a bit. मेरे को हल्का सा video delay आ रहा है.
Okay. But you got all
It's
the,
better now. It's better now.
and it is accepted to feel sad, it is accepted to feel anxiety or anything like that. They just accept the person that, you know, she is like that or he is like that, and they just adjust around the person. Usually that's what happens. But the person, patient, is still suffering. You know, वो उनका suffering दिमाग में चलता होगा, and the family members are just adjusting whatever is going on in their mind. And it comes to the level only when there is a resistance that they cannot move beyond. Is That's when they see that they need help. And also this thing of suicide when it happens. Until then, it's like they do not take help. They'll be like, okay, you know what? She's a bit different. He's a bit different. That's what they usually say. हमेशा से थोड़ा अलग थे. You know, since a long time they are like that. But what is this alag? You know, what is this? There is some process that is going on in the mind.
that is
Which,
that is the case, that before presentation there's a lot of things going inside, and you're only able to see when either the person expresses or they go beyond hand that something somewhere is now severely wrong and we need to address it as soon as possible. The person might be suffering in silence for a lot duration of time before presentation to the doctor or even to the family members
even
also.
to the family members. And once, even after they commit suicide, most of them will be like, अरे उसने family के बारे में इतना भी नहीं सोचा. It is like patient has committed suicide because they have so much of, you know, what we know, worthlessness, hopelessness, helplessness. That is the reason they have. So उनका तभी भी उनका mental illness था बोल के importance नहीं रहता. Selfishness is what is portrayed.
Oh
You
my
know.
God, this is such a like talked about thing that every time somebody, God forbid, commit suicide, it's always said like they did not think about the family. Oh God, if they were about to think something, तो वो इस स्टेज पे पहुंचते ही नहीं ना. मतलब there was something going on, there was such hopelessness, helplessness that did not find anything else to do. It is not out of selfishness, it is out of helplessness that they do that. They feel that
Exactly.
nothing else can be
कोई
done.
और चारा नहीं. I don't have anything else. I have no other way. So they think this is the only way. You know, that is why when suicide happens, everybody's attention is on why
The
they
person,
committed
why
and
did they
how,
do that?
why they did that, and how the family is taking it. You know, and also the why is they've tried to find reasons which are not connected to depression. Like उसके घर में कुछ problem होगा, love failure. Love failure is like, you know, it's a very common term that is used here in South. It's like failure, love failure, and उसके वजह से घर में लड़ाई चल रही थी उसके वजह से. You know that all these things, yes, they are reasons. They are definite environmental stressors, but that is not the cause. The cause is depression. It's a disorder. जैसे अगर कोई, if somebody has died because of heart attack, simple, it's because of an MI, myocardial infarction. You know, it's not because कि, you know, वो exercise नहीं करता था, not doing exercise, इसलिए उसको heart attack हुआ. You know, that's not how you relate it. I think that's something that is very important for people to understand.
And again, coming back to talking about stigma with the psychiatrist. So I think
Yeah.
you and I both would have seen it. I've talked to a lot more psychiatrists, and talking to other psychiatrists hypes me up a lot because I feel
Yeah.
there isn't enough representation of psychiatrists in the front row anywhere. So I
Yes.
see a lot of mental health summits, a lot of change in the change in mental health awareness weeks, everything happening, and somehow I have gone through the list of panelists, speakers, and a lot of more people. There's never a psychiatrist on board. There are a lot more
Yes.
psychologists because they're more vocal about what they do. So I encourage more and more psychiatrists who are around me that come, let's talk, because until unless we start giving out authentic information, there's
Hmm.
a lot of people who with very very less experience or maybe not even qualified enough to talk about mental illnesses per
Exactly.
se, and they're going ahead
Exactly.
and talking
Hmm.
about a lot of things on the front, and very young impressionable minds these days are on social media, and they listen to a lot of these things and they get the wrong idea about illnesses. So then
Exactly.
again, as we say, a little knowledge is very much more dangerous than having no knowledge at all,
No
because you're spreading
knowledge. Hmm.
misinformation. So
Yeah.
encourage more and more psychiatrists to come forward, and please, we have this amazing and lovely branch. We have so much more to give, so much more information to share with everybody, because I think we see the depth and the core of what's going on in the mind of people. Because we need, I
Exactly.
think we are the people who have been mocked about taking the longest histories. We tend to take out
Histories tend to
everything
hours together.
us
Hours
together,
together
and
we sit
especially
and
in the
talk.
training.
Hmm.
My
Hmm.
training time pe, I think this was the one thing that was in the residency always emphasized upon, that history is inadequate. I would not have seen people in medicine, surgery, gynae taking such long histories, and it
Hmm.
is insightful into the person's life, how much you get to
Exactly.
know about this person, and
And
environmental stresses also.
exactly. And also, when we take the history, it is not about we are just writing down a story. We are trying to form a pattern as to what are the symptoms and what is the normal way of talking. I think in my YouTube video that I have done, I talk in Telugu in that. I tell the same thing that, it is like talking. जैसे हम तुम बात कर रहे हो, it is like talking only. But we can recognize when you're talking, what is it that you're talking about is a symptom. Like, for example, a person will say, Hare, I feel bad all the time. That I feel bad all the time, anybody can say. But we know that the law, how many hours you feel bad during the day, how many days in a week you feel bad. We ask these kind of questions. अंग्रेजी ही है हिंदी है तेलुगु ही है it's not some other language it is not a medical language that cannot be understood by other people it is just normal language and we have to pick in that normal language what are symptoms and what are not right so it takes a lot of
Absolutely.
skill and patience to do that so and I think that is something that needs to be appreciated also by the
So
other
that is what
branches
I think residency was all about, turning
yes
English stories into
stories
perfect
into
histories.
histories, perfect history. That is so true. That's what I think that is our major training that goes on and on for all the time,
History is
taking the
inadequate.
histories.
Kindly repeat. I've
Yeah,
gotten this note so many times, and then you are like, but I did so many things. But eventually, when you go into third year and you realize you see your first year histories and you understand yourself, this was crap.
exactly. Okay, what I did
How
was
much
not enough,
more
I would
I've
ask
grown
me.
as a person. Yes,
Yes.
completely. So
So,
again, yes, as I say, more representation of psychiatrists needs to be in the front
yeah,
row, because we are so much into training, and those 3 years were so grilling. And as it is
yeah.
an everyday practice, also you are learning so much. So we have so much more to
And
give.
it is after MBBS, it is after MBBS. We know everything that is to do with being a doctor, and we have chosen a specialization. Most of the people think that we are not doctors, we are psychologists. So when they have these, usually they go for body pains and like even presentation of somatization or sometimes depression, anxiety, they come with headaches, body pains. The physical symptoms are so much more acceptable. So when they go with all those pains to a general physician, they'll be prescribed a number of medications. And then they won't get better. It'll become a chronic thing. That's when they come here.
जब तक वो
Because
जादू वाली दवाई, जब तक वो एंटी डिप्रेसेंट नहीं जाएगी, तब तक कुछ चीज सही नहीं होती. I
कुछ
have
नहीं
seen this
सही
so
होगा.
many times.
That's what. Unless until that serotonin and that goes, nothing will happen. So exactly. So and also this one more thing that people in India believe that meditation and yoga and going to temples and all will solve everything. जो भी है तुम ध्यान करो भगवान को you pray. I think that is one more thing in the Indian scenario that psychiatry and in India basically in our Indian scenario that's what they feel like you can do some meditation every patient I get can I do meditation before I start my tablets like अगर तुम meditation करके ठीक हो जाओगे तो तुम्हें डॉक्टर के पास आने की why would you go that far because you
So
have
I'm
tried
like,
it already
go ahead. Conventional therapies, we
exactly
do it. Just take this medication. Don't stop what
and
I'm giving to
हाँ
you. Do whatever you want after that. Because again, that meditation also, obviously, there are very proven benefits. But then, not like you're just sitting alone and doing whatever you like. It's very channelized approach, like therapy and counseling also. Dance therapy, pet therapy, animal assisted therapy. So animal assisted therapy is not like you get a dog and you cuddle with it. So that's not animal assisted
exactly.
therapy. है हर
exactly.
चीज नॉर्मली, बट उसका एक प्रोसीजर है कि चैनलाइज किया गया एक
Hmm.
तरीके से, सो दैट
Hmm.
यू कैन गेट मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट, दैट दिस मच
Hmm.
ड्यूरेशन, दिस फ्रीक्वेंटली you have to do that. So similarly, with meditation and a lot of conventional therapies that are done, they are effective, but when done with the professional in a systematic manner, with yoga also, it's not like हफ्ते में एक दिन उठे योगा करी कि यार मेरा डिप्रेशन ठीक क्यों नहीं हो रहा है.
Exactly. That's what I go walk. I went to the park walking today for 2 days, but I didn't feel better. That's what some people would say. You know,
I think that is
actually,
also one reason for stigma, because our medications don't show results very quickly. So
quickly,
you need to
yes,
have patience, and before that, many people drop out before 5 to 7 days when you are expected to get the good results. So if, I
yes,
think most of the time, in spite of seeing the patient, time is spent in psychoeducation again and again. Don't leave medications. They will show effect in 10 days. They will not show effect before that. Don't
before
stop
that,
them. You will get
exactly.
better.
So,
So
mm.
this is something I'm planning on taping and playing it with every patient, that you have to continue, don't stop.
Yeah,
And
that's true. Just
but
tape it
still you
and
put
put
in
it
so
on
much
repeat.
energy every day. But again, आप एक जना कितना चेंज ला सकते हो, उनके आसपास सोसाइटी में वो चीज नहीं पता, the family does
Yes,
not know that. So you as a
yeah,
single person, how much of a change can you bring in the upbringing? Like the same thing they have been hearing for the past 30-40 years, and one meeting
yeah,
with you, how much you can change. So that, I think sometimes I feel that kind of burden also, ki over delivering ho jati hai, so you drain yourself out. I have
yeah,
these days when I drain myself a lot, so much that I'm telling this to so many people, and you're like yourself so drained that okay, I just want to sleep now, I can't function as a human anymore, because you
yeah,
जितना भी आप पे था आपने वो दे दिया. So खुद
yeah.
को भी energize करने के लिए you need that time more.
Yeah, I think like the detachment is something that would help us, going forward. The reason actually I myself, I studied yoga and I did the certification and I did my diploma also in yoga therapy is one of the reasons is because, in our Indian scenario, हम ऐसे ही दवाई देंगे, psychiatric medications, they do not accept it well. So when you have this background and you explain to them in this way that, अगर तुम्हें, if you have a chronic illness, it won't go away. जैसे तुम बीपी के लिए डेली गोली लेते हो, hypertension is something that you take every day, right? You cannot stop the medication and then do yoga and all that meditation. It's not going to go. It will going to shoot up and come down and all that. So the worst complication of any psychiatric illness is, either committing suicide or running away to the house, like things that are extreme. So rather वहां तक खींचने से पहले try everything. If it doesn't work out, you come back, talk to us, talk to your doctor. That professional relationship, maintaining that rapport also is very important. That patient should be able to trust you. कि जो तुम बोल रहे हो, sir. Every time, when I start the medication also, I'll be like, अरे, I'm not going to give you something that will make you worse. I'm a doctor,
Obviously,
so
why would I, मतलब
exactly.
मुझे फायदा क्या हो रहा है इससे? They're like,
That's
every
what.
time you write medication you get this question like, इससे कोई नुकसान तो नहीं होगा? I said, why would I be giving you something that is harming you?
That is
I'm here
harming
to
you.
help
Yeah.
you.
That's what we have to convince them. We have to convince the patient कि भाई हम डॉक्टर ही हैं, हम तुम्हारे फायदे के लिए बात कर रहे हैं.
See, that
That's
is
also
one
one
more
thing.
thing that is emotionally taxing to the doctor also, that in
Yes.
every such thing, बाकी
You have
diseases
to
में बाकी patients go to the doctor and they're like, please write us medication so that we can get better.
get
And here the
better.
burden lies upon you that please take this so that you get better. So कहीं ना कहीं आप उस judgment में आ जाते हो कि आपको अच्छी दवाई
Exactly.
लेनी है, उनको जल्दी सही होना है, and they're like, आपकी दवाई से फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. Then again, we have a very handful of medications first of all to choose from.
Exactly.
It's not
That's
like
what. And it's
antibiotics.
not like,
We
we
don't
don't
have
have
a
a
very
full
big
will
range.
variety. Yeah.
So
So
already
whatever
we
is
have our
there.
hands tied. We don't have. Secondly, coming as people of science, again, a lot of people, they just believe what they see. So with our
Yes.
illnesses, very rarely we have some test that can indicate clearly. Like it's not like
Exactly. This
thyroid
is something,
function.
that's what. So
Ki-
when there's no test, I talk about this also with like most of the time and this that, the only way we can know what is going on in your brain is by talking. ये सिर्फ एक है and only we know that मतलब without talking what is the kind non-verbal communication, non-verbal cues, only a psychiatrist will know. So we have to be trained enough to understand that and also and to make the patient understand that अगर तुम brain का scan करो तो only if there is a proper grossly कुछ गड़बड़ है then you will see. But this micro things that are changing, every time I tell them that only. See, when you open your electrical box, क्या आपको electricity दिखती है? You can't
Oh
see
wow,
it,
this
right?
is a
But
nice way to present
if
that.
you touch it, तुम्हें पता चलता है ना कि कुछ चल रहा है वहाँ पे. Our neurons are connected in the same way. Just imagine a big transformer and multiply it into 100. Those many neurons are there in our brain. And every neuron to neuron, there's a connection and there's a छोटी छोटी चीजें जो हमको दिखती भी नहीं है. Like in our, if you take out your blood and you test it, hormones भी दिख जाते हैं, but neurotransmitters नहीं दिखते. They are that small. And you want this Chotu tablet to go and act at that level. So just wait and have some patience. So that's what I tell them. That you
That
know
is
that.
so, I think, amazingly. I have never heard a better explanation to this. I
Thank
have
you
never
so
even
much.
thought of this. I always try to explain him that because every person wants to get an MRI and CT done and they come back with
Yes.
the reports. See, everything is
Yes.
normal. Then why
Everything is
do I need
normal.
to take
Hmm.
medications? Like,
Hmm.
no, these are things you can't see. This hasn't been invented yet. We hope in
This
our
hasn't been
lifetime we'll
invented.
see.
Hmm.
Because I never said this has not been invented. I always say it hasn't been invented yet because I am
That's
hopeful that
what.
in our
Hmm.
lifetime we can see any test because I think
Hmm.
with CSF, 5-HIA, a lot of tests are being tried upon
Yes,
clinically
tried
and
upon.
hopefully,
It is all
uh,
going on in research. Yes. And hopefully we will get it. You know, medical science is
but
always
abhi nahi hai.
advancing. Abhi nahi hai. And, you know, psychiatry considering it is a pretty new branch, considering all the other stuff, because it was before neurology and only the gross problems like schizophrenia, which have actual changes in the brain, and Alzheimer's, which have actual, only those were the things that were seen, and also which were developmental disorders, so that they can see from childhood. So these were the things that were very focused on. And for these people had to be locked up or something because at that time they did not have any, you know, medication. But as times are changing, it's a very, you know, new branch and there's a lot of scope to go ahead, lot of research. So I tell them that, you know, you come back after 10 years, there'll be a machine. When you talk, you'll be able to see वहाँ पे क्या क्या, your brain will light up वहाँ पे.
Hopefully हमारा I think उससे verbal emotional tax बहुत कम हो जाएगा जो आप बार बार ये चीज
Yeah.
पूरे दिन every day every time you're telling people no you have some illness you will get better believe me but I can't give you any proof because this the mental status examination the MSE that we do which
Yes.
is very ridiculed upon because we ask all sorts of questions
Lots of so
this is
question.
very
Investigation
important
कर रहे हो क्या? That's are you doing some investigation? That's the question
and
we get.
have you come across questions like this आपको क्या मतलब है
हाँ, इससे क्या आपको क्या? That is the that's
I
what
need to get to know you to
know
treat you
you.
because
Yeah.
it's not like if you are god forbid there's some problem at home and you are all every day fighting and hitting each other at
Hmm.
home then my medication won't work if your
Exactly.
environmental is
Hmm.
not any way helpful to you how
Hmm.
can my medication start working
And you know, sometimes this even whether it's a male or a female, they'll be like, please don't tell my partner, please don't tell my mother, please don't tell, because they don't want them to feel bad. One thing, they don't want them to judge. Like judgment, अपने partner के ऊपर भी इतना judgment रहता है. When I send, like usually patient will be sitting and be like, ठीक है आप बाहर बैठो मुझे patient से बात करनी है. क्यों? मेरे सामने बोलो. Like
ऐसा क्या है
patient
जो आप
कौन
मेरे
है?
सामने बात नहीं कर सकते
Exactly. Patient वो है ना आप जाओ. Then after talking to them, and they'll be so worried कि you know they'll tell their history. Actually, they will actually tell their history, and then they will be like, you know, please don't tell these things. They say, don't worry, this is what is. Then we'll explain them to them about that confidentiality. You know, and when they come back and when we talk to the family, they can see the difference and they will get the confidence कि चलो ये doctor तो, you know, they want to, I can trust them.
कुछ मेरे
And
फायदे
this
की बात हो रही है शायद
exactly, and this likability factor is a lot in psychiatry. Is a lot. मतलब इतना है कि they will come and say, अरे उसको देखा है तुमने, उसको देखा तो मैं ही पागल हो जाऊंगी. They'll speak like that about other psychiatrists and doctors, which is, you know, I mean, it's like every time you are fighting with your peers, you're fighting with your own self-worth that, you know, I have studied medicine, I have done this. Keep fight like just what you said now, you know, you get drained out by the end of the day that, you know, I have done so much and then I'm repeating myself. क्या फायदा हो रहा है? But I
So I
think
think change starts from within. I think now people,
yes,
especially people around you, when you tell them you don't need to do that and you yourself are not doing it. So eventually things are
yes,
going to change. I know situations are not very good right now, but hopefully they're going to get better in the future. So
definitely. I think it will get better. I
we
think
have
it
a
will get
question
better. Yeah,
in the
tell me.
comment in the question section and a person Thank you, Ishita, for the question. And she wants to ask that how can we believe that we are not dependent on the medications?
How can you believe?
That you are not dependent. So we get this question a
Okay.
lot that will I not be dependent? Am I dependent on the medication? How do I know that I'm not dependent? So
So
how to
any
convince them?
dependency, I think any dependency is equal to addiction, is what we would say. So if that person has this doubt that I might get dependent on the medication, then you have to explain what kind of tablet it is. Like for example, if it is an antidepressant, it has no potential to get dependent. But if it's a benzodiazepine, then there is a chance. So explain about the tablet and explain this process that neuronal changes take place. I think that is the first thing. Educate them. And then, agar khud ko, if you want to know by yourself whether you are dependent or not, you go and ask your doctor. See, I have been taking since this many times, this many years or months or whatever, and if I stop it, this happens. Usually, that's something that some people ask. You know, if I stop the medication, I get all these things. That's why I feel that I am dependent. But I think at that time, we need to talk to them about withdrawal symptoms, right? When they stop the SSRI suddenly, so we need to explain to them कि टेपर कैसे करना है. अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम डिपेंडेंट हो, बहुत साल से ले रहे हो, then talk to your psychiatrist, not a general physician, कि ये टैबलेट्स चल रहे हैं, तो मैं अभी क्या करूं. Then you explain to them कि कैसे हम कम करेंगे. अगर वो सही मात्रा, like सही डोसेज नहीं है, तो डोसेज कैसे चेंज करेंगे. So this explanation needs to be there whenever you get this doubt. So rather than searching online, because online सबका addiction रहता है, all stomach aches are Crohn's disease.
And
All
even paracetamol has side effect. I'm like that
has
you
side
should
effect.
stop taking that
Exactly. That's what every tablet will have side effect. Now, people ask me that if I don't take medication, will I not get better? Then yes, you will not get better because this will get worsened. तुम्हारा ये जो feelings है, it will get worsened. Yes, your environment will change. You know, most like environment change हो जाएगा. फिर भी तुमको मायूसी रहेगी. फिर भी you'll be feeling sad. And some people, when they have like a situation that they need to really face, they'll face the situation, they'll come out of it, and then they'll have their anxiety and depression. And then they'll be like, see, when I had all those problems, I was absolutely fine. Why am I getting it now? That questioning self कि मैं बीमार क्यों हूँ? That questioning self is also something that we need to address whenever
Oh, that's so
you get the
insightful
chance.
because I think again education नहीं है. बहुत सारी चीजें we don't know because we are not aware of this anabolic rush. That when you're stressed, you have this corticosteroid rush, and whenever your
Yes.
exams, so you won't get headaches or fever during the exam. A lot of us has faced this issue that exam हो जाता है, उसके बाद आपको लगता है अब हम मजे करेंगे, but then you suddenly might get fever, you might
Yes.
get headaches, you might get body aches because at that time you were in that anabolic sympathetic system rush चल रहा था, so you were controlled at that time. But
Yes,
after
that's
that your
what.
body gets into relaxation phase and then you get headaches, body aches and fever. And you're like exam में तो नहीं हुआ, अब क्यों हो गया?
Yeah, and
Very
all the
very right point.
somebody has asked if an engineer can become a psychiatrist. Okay.
So I
No.
put a lot of
You have
stories
to.
regarding that. You need to have PCB in class 12. You need to undergo
Yes.
NEET exam, go through MBBS, then give
MBBS
internship
and
1
then
year. Then exit exam also now. Then you have to give NEET exam for post graduation. Have 3 years residency in psychiatry or a diploma for 2 years. Then you can
yes.
be called a
Be a
psychiatrist. So it's a
psychiatrist.
long
Yeah,
journey.
that's what. Another question: why do you feel stuck in a situation in academics? Academics, I don't know. I think
I didn't
Akib
get the
Zamdar.
question.
I didn't get the question. Please, if you can type it again.
If you are talking
Ex-
about decreased concentration maybe and
Yeah.
decreased attention, yes, that can be a sign of mind depression. It can be a sign of ADHD, a lot more things. So please consult a professional
They
to like clarify those
understand
symptoms.
what it is. And any experience about homeopathy. So any Ayurveda, homeopathy, what I always say is that they are not something that can treat psychiatric disorders. They can maintain homeostasis. That's what
And they
I
can
would say.
help you
That,
along with that. So they're like
along with it.
complementary alternative medicines. A
Yes.
lot of herbal fruits and leaves have been
I
tried, but
think,
they are complementary to
hmm.
the treatment. They cannot be
Yeah, I
taken up
think
as a solo
Prashant,
treatment for the
hmm.
same.
Yeah, Prashant has asked, and this is what I would like to say, that go to a psychiatrist, get yourself assessed, and then you take homeopathy, Ayurveda, jo bhi chelna hai, they are all additive things, but primary should be this, because primarily we know now what is wrong in the brain. पहले हमको पता नहीं था. Honestly, we did not know before what was actually wrong. Now we know, so now we have the treatment for that. Okay.
Sure.
To forget someone that I am looking for. Okay. I think this is about relationship. Joycey has asked. I think
This
moving
is
on
like
from
a topic for
relationships.
another day.
I
It's a
think,
very
yes,
long
that is a
topic. We
topic.
get these questions a lot about relationships, breakups, and how you're feeling sad. So please consider therapy, because usually in adjustment disorders and mild depressions, therapy works wonders, and it's like channelizing your
Yes.
thoughts. You will understand why you are feeling in such a way, and to prevent yourself of feeling and getting hurt in the future. Also, it might a lot of things you can reflect upon yourself, like personality issues, and you can work upon them as well. And I think there's one hate comment for me also, so I would like to address that
Yeah.
also. I don't hate men who said I love my father, father-in-law, my brother, my husband. I love all the men. You can love men and still hate patriarchy.
Yes, that
The
is true.
videos and the reels are not about myself
Yeah,
personally.
actually,
It's not
that's
my
what I
personal
would
life
say.
story.
No, actually, I would say that when anybody says something about feminism, I ask them, why do you hate women? Why do you hate women? It is not one thing against another. There's no fight that is going on over here. It is just a movement that we would like everybody to join in. That's all. One more
Feminism,
thing.
everybody is a feminist. Maybe you don't need know this yourself. And these
Exactly.
are
अगर
not
तुम
personal experiences. The videos and the content comes out of a lot of professional experiences. Because I have seen people commenting on the videos and saying, I'm sad if you are going through this in your personal life. No, babe,
yeah,
I'm chill here. I'm worried
yeah,
about
that's
you.
what
Every
we are
voice
posting it.
counts.
Yes.
If
Yes.
I always believe, if we as women in power won't talk about these issues, then God forbid what is going to happen with women who don't have power, trans people, what
Exactly.
you need to have a voice. इतने
Hmm.
साल पहले in the Western culture especially, the women did not have voice, and वहाँ voting rights नहीं थी.
Exactly.
Weirdly, here enough, when voting rights was started, it was started for male and female both. We had a
Yeah,
women
see,
prime
that is
minister.
another difference between the Western kind of feminism and Indian. Indian में simple है भाई, बच्चों को बस पढ़ने दो. Let the girl child study what she wants.
यहाँ
जिससे
पे
it's very
opportunities बहुत
simple.
ज्यादा है. We got
It's
a
very
female president, female prime minister way ahead.
exactly.
So
That's
we are
what.
more. I always feel we are way progressed as a culture. Maybe we just don't know it enough. We had so many female goddesses. We worship women, but somehow we look down upon women in our lives per se.
Exactly.
So yes,
It's
feminism
more
is
of
not about hating men.
yeah, and also it's more about personal judgment in India. What happens is more about log kya kahenge and personal judgment. That is the only thing that feminism jo bhi hota hai, that is the thing. Because even if you think of infanticides, dowry, and all these things, they are the those are the grassroots problems that we need to work on. Not these other things of equal voice is considered to be not good because a female talking is considered as feminism. But that's not how it is.
Prashant has one more query. Mixing Ayurveda and medicines. Yes. See, what happens is that allopathy, all the medications, they are supposed to work quickly. Still
Yes,
relatively than what homeopathy, obviously हमारा बहुत पुराना culture है, and homeopathy is a very well researched branch. But the problem is that when the patient is running around and they have severe illness at that time, they need to be controlled at that time, because you don't know what is going to happen next. So
exactly.
if for immediate treatment you need allopathic medication and to control yourself at that time. Obviously, I personally have not a lot of experience with Ayurveda and homeopathy, but I believe in that science because it's such an age-old science and people have shown good results. It is for maintenance and prevention more rather than curative
Curative.
and healing at
Yes.
that particular time.
Yes. And also, if you have a mild, for example, we in our DSM ICD also, we have different levels, right? If you have mild depression, depressive disorder, if you have mild anxiety, they can be solved with anything. Homeopathy लो, Ayurveda लो, yoga करो, दोस्तों से बात करो, go for therapy. Yes, they can be. But when you have moderate भी है तो then you will need help. That is where the difference comes कि a person cannot recognize, like you Prashant cannot know whether I have depression or not. A doctor will know. It is a very old science. It is very accepted. But as a cure, you start with going to the doctor. Whoever you trust, वो तुम्हारी मर्जी है. तुम जाओ, as get yourself assessed, and then you can go for whatever change you need to go.
Surely.
Yeah.
Surely.
Oh
So
yes,
Dr.
we have
Abdullah, it
convinced
was
him. I totally agree with you.
yeah, please. Yeah, this is a very safe space. Any kind of criticism is 100% welcomed on every view, because
Exactly.
obviously we are different people, we have different views. But there is a way, and this is how we discuss things. This was, thank you, Prashant, so much for your insight. And every day, हमें भी सब कुछ नहीं पता है. You just know about your branch. How can you know about
Exactly.
everything everywhere?
Everything.
So
Exactly.
every day
So
is a
I
learning
think that's good.
experience for we also as professionals, and many days patients and people from all kinds of field come and teach us new and new things further.
Yeah.
So, Dr. Mradula, it was lovely. I have this amazing experience talking to you,
Yeah.
and we'll be doing more of these in the
Yeah,
future
it
and
was.
find out more topics to discuss upon, and then we can
Yeah.
share our insights on the same.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed talking to you also. This is my first live. I'm not usually this comfortable just talking, but you have made me very comfortable.
These
And
are
I was
really
able to.
addictive. Once you start doing that, you get this rush and you want to do more and more.
Yes. And also, I'm very glad that people can just directly ask and we can give them the answers rather than message and all that. That takes time. So I think this is a very good thing.
These are topics for another day. So I
Yes.
hopefully our discussion for today, we are stagnated here only, that
Yes.
stigma in psychiatry is too much and we are fighting it on a day-to-day basis.
Yes.
And yes, even if one person start telling people around you to change, because change becomes from one person also. So try and changing this again and again.
Any day. A drop starts filling the ocean. Same thing. You know, if a person that अगर हमारे जो भी आज follow करे उनको convince हो गया कि चलो psychiatrist, we need to take, we need to respect and we need to go for it, and that's good. And especially, I would like to tell all the doctors in our groups and my own friends and everything that, you know, going to a psychiatrist, you need to tell the patients also कि कोई तुम्हें पागल नहीं कह रहे. I'm not saying that you're mad. I think that you need more help than I can give. It's as simple as that. More time than I can give. I think that's
Sure.
something that you can tell. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a very
Nice
lovely
talking
evening.
to you. You too. Bye.
Bye bye.